So we're in the middle of styling week at our latest project, and it's so exciting, and we're kind of getting all the pretty stuff happening now, which is my favourite part. We were on the hunt for some stools for this gorgeous fire pit that we've got, and I was up at Sophie's rental and she had these little concrete gorgeous things which were very much the style of her old house, but we're going to transform them with Dulux paint. So the colour that they currently are is just a little bit too dark for this house, and there's a lot of white happening throughout inside, but also outside at Sophie's house. So I'm going to mix these up a little bit, and I'm going to bring in those nudie kind of warmer colours just to add some interest. So we're going to use Casper White Quarter for one of them, and that's the same colour as all the exterior of Sophie's house. The next one is we're going to use Piglet by Dulux, and it's a really soft, beautiful kind of nudie colour. And then the third one, which is like the party stool, is going to be Potter's Pink and Piglet. We've really got to give these a good clean. They're old, they've kind of been sitting in the mud and whatnot, and it's really important to do so because we need a really nice adhesion to the pot. We don't want anything to peel off, and we also want a really smooth finish, so there's not a little dirty bits in there. Okay, so now that the stools are all clean and we've got all the grubby little bits off it, we're actually going to prime them, and we're using the Dulux Precision Maximum Strength Adhesion Primer. We want to do this because we just want the top coat to look its absolute best. Alright, so now that these little babies are done, I'm going to wait for them to dry and I'm going to tackle my next hack in the meantime. Okay, so Soph, how many coats do you reckon?
I think 2.
2? Good coverage?
Good coverage, just like, you know, a bit of makeup vibes.
Yeah, like a foundation, a really nice foundation, like a dewy foundation. Yeah. So we're using Dulux Weather Shield because these are going outside near the fire pit, and I really want these to hold up to the elements. Seriously, how easy is this?
So easy.
And look at them in their beautiful blush, God love them.
They've had a mega makeover.
They have. Have they had a mummy makeover?
Yes, just like I need.
So our stools are done, they've had their little revamp, we've got our white ones, our blushy little pink ones to kind of go with all those little pops of colour within the home. I've got a glass of wine, the fire's on, and it's time to enjoy it.